Come on, puppy. It's a food time. This beautiful little puppy, after a few hours, will have no ticks. She ate some food from the first plate, and now she's coming to her second plate. All the ticks that you are watching, they will be away in a few hours. We are not removing the ticks. I advise you to don't remove the ticks. If you see any dog with ticks, don't remove it with your hands. No. Can be really dangerous for the dog. Give a pill. Give a pill to the dog and leave the pill a few hours to work, and all the ticks, they die. We don't remove the ticks from a dog. I don't remove them. I give a pill, and after a few hours, they die. Don't remove them. After a few hours, they die. You beautiful puppy. Enjoy your meal. There is water also. Now you are safe. She's eating a lot. She will have a happy belly now. Every puppy must have a happy belly. Every puppy must have a happy belly. So many ticks. You can see the ticks in her ears, in her body. This puppy will not make it if we didn't take her in the shelter. And the puppy is together with who else? Takis, Nikki, and the two black puppies, the two black teenagers. They are still very shy. They was in a tank with water, and the firemen rescued them. And they are still so scared of people. Every place in the shelter has a dog. Every place in the shelter has a dog. What's going on? It's crazy. Okay, you want some water also? There is sticks going everywhere. Poor puppy. It's a risk for her life because she's not vaccinated. Oh, Grandpa Takis will finish the food now. Bravo, Grandpa Takis. He's so gentle. He's a lovely grandpa. Hey, baby. Welcome to my shelter. Can I see a happy tail? Hey. Oh, look at your tail. Hey. Yeah, baby. No more suffering. No more suffering. It's a girl. And she has a happy tail already, as you see. Yeah? Yeah, baby. You suffer a lot, yeah? Έπρεπε να ντρέπονται όλοι αυτοί που αφήνουν τα ζώα τους και γενοβολάνε για να διαλέξουν ένα ή δύο και τα υπόλοιπα τα πετάνε από εδώ και από εκεί. Και μετά λένε είμαστε κατά των στηρώσεων. Για ελάτε εδώ να περάσετε μια μέρα μαζί μου, ένα 24ωρο μαζί μου, να δουν τα μάτια σας αυτά που βλέπω. Για ελάτε. Ελάτε. Ελάτε να ζήσετε με το θάνατο μέρα νύχτα να δούμε. Τι γνώμη έχετε? Αγάπη μου. It's a beautiful girl. No more suffering, baby. No more suffering. Poor girl. Poor girl. All of them, they will die. She's a beautiful girl. Beautiful. And she's about 2 months old. Welcome home, beautiful little puppy. Welcome home.